blowtorch is a non-toxic chemical way of getting rid of weeds, taking care of weeds to prepare your garden for replanting, or if you have any plants, fruits, vegetables that live under the ground throughout or between seasons, between harvests or growth seasons. This can take care of all your surface weeds without damaging the plant. We're gonna weed all this stuff with fire. There we go. Give me your power. Let's see. Left-handed threads. You can see the cuts on the edges of this bolt, the center of the bolt. That means it goes left-handed to thread it in. Lefty-tighty, righty-loosey on gas lines. All right, and then we'll seal it down. You don't need a pipe wrench, just a nice snug fit. Nice. All right. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Turn the gas on. Then you have a knob here that controls the fuel release at basically idle. So once you crack this open, it starts to release gas from the nozzle. And then you have a handle on the end. The handle, when you squeeze the handle, you'll hear it gives it a burst of gas. So this is basically the pilot light. And you turn it on until you hear a slight hiss. And then use what your favorite tool, like a spark igniter. If I can even operate, there you go. All right. There you go. Then, when you pull the trigger, it's hard to see, but you got blowtorch. There's no plants that you want to keep that are above ground, then you just have to be cognizant and be gentle when guiding the flame around. But yeah, it's a great way. It's the way I use to not have to use any chemical weed killer. It takes just about as long as it would to spray as it does to torch. Go slow. If you light something on fire, stomp it out. Something on fire that you don't want to be on fire. But yeah, that's a nice, easy way, and you don't have to worry about wackadoodle stuff on your vegetables. 6 minutes later. All the seed heads gone. All right, we'll take a look at how this clears up in about 2 days. And then we'll remove some mass and start planting. The little trick I use to make getting around the yard easier is I use a bungee cord to connect the propane tank to a 2-wheel dolly, furniture dolly, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. Strap it around the body, and then you can run it around much easier. You can run it around the yard much easier instead of carrying the. Just prop it up, move it about. All right, we're gonna take care of this second garden without blasting the plants we want. That's the garlic bulbs, the garlic onion, and the onion. We want to make sure that we don't hit this stuff here. It's as dry as a popcorn fart. That'll go up, and it'll be an issue. Cross your fingers.
Be careful with that, Lou, because you were
If you have any questions and you want to get started doing propane weed eating on your own, leave a message below, comment if you have any anxiety I can possibly alleviate to guide you in the right direction. Thank you much. Thank you much.